Our aim with this wildlife series is to bring the story of the Sabi lions to the world, their history, their struggles, and what their lives are truly like. In this series, we will create around 50 videos um, focusing on different Sabi coalitions and prides. Think of this as a journey. Through this journey, I will take you 26 years back in time, and step by step, we will return to this present, inshallah. Before we begin today's video, I would like to clear up 5 common misconceptions about lions. First misconception is many people believe that male lions don't help with hunting, that they simply steal food from the pride, and that lionesses cannot make large kills without them. This idea is completely wrong. Male lions don't always steal food. In most cases, when the pride's hunting, males are busy on patrolling and protecting their territory. Because of this, they often hunt on their own. And when a pride is strong and experienced, lionesses are fully capable of taking down large prey without any help. Second misconception is some people think lionesses stay in the same pride for their entire lives. This is not true. Lionesses often leave or split from their pride for various reasons, such as protecting their cubs, avoiding conflict, or when the group becomes too large. We will explore these situations in detail throughout this series. Third misconception is many people believe that a single lion rules everything alone. But in reality, lions rule through coalitions. Male lion from strong alliance to take over and defeat territories in this series. We will discuss multiple coalitions including some surprisingly large ones, inshallah. Fourth misconception is it's often assumed that all lions are brutal and aggressive, but that's not entirely true. Many lions show strong bonds, loyalty, and even care with their pride. Their behavior is not just about violence, it's about survival and protection. Fifth misconception lays lastly, some people think lions are simply social animals similar to domestic cats or dogs. While lions are indeed social, they are also incredibly powerful and at times extremely brutal. As we go deeper into this series, we will see that many of the lions we discuss have intense and dramatic life stories shaped by survival in the wild. If you want to truly understand lions, their nature, their behavior, and their world, then this wildlife series is for you. Since this video has already become quite long, we will end the first episode here. Alhamdulillah. The next episode we will begin from the year 2000 because many lions stories we ignored in past, but from 2000, from the era of Mapogos, we understand the lions and lion dynamics. We start our series from the rule of West Street and Malavati males in Sabi when only five brides live in Sabi and now present more than 17 brides live in Sabi. This is our goal, and I wish you can help us and you can appreciate us to make the series perfectly and good for everything. Thanks for watching. I invite you to watch the second video. Thanks for watching. Sorry for some punctuation mistakes.